Hey guys, John from Kraus. Today I'll be showing you how to install a semi-recessed sink. For this video, we'll be using a Natura composite sink, but these instructions can be used for any semi-recessed sink. Paired with a wall mount or vessel styled faucet, a semi-recessed sink will give any bathroom a dramatic look. Let's get started. For this installation, you'll need a roll of masking tape, a hole saw, a drill, a jigsaw, silicone caulk, a tape measure, and a pencil. To start, cut out the included template and place it on the vanity top. Using a tape measure, mark the center line of the vanity. Now measure 4 inches from the back of the vanity. This will be the space where your faucet goes. Once you've made your marks, use some masking tape to secure the template to the vanity top. Once secured, trace the outside of the template. Once you finish tracing, remove the template. Using a large diameter bit or a hole saw like the one we have here, cut a hole on the inside edge of this curve. Using a jigsaw, cut along the line that you traced. Place the sink in the hole to ensure that it was cut correctly. Once you verify that it was cut correctly, flip the sink over and apply a bead of caulk along the outer edge. Once the caulk is applied, flip the basin over and place it into the hole. Use a tape measure to make sure everything's straight. Once you've ensured that the basin is straight, give it a firm push. Allow the caulk to dry for 30 to 60 minutes. Next, install the pop-up drain according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, install your P-trap. Install your faucet. We recommend using a Kraus vessel faucet for a clean and elegant look. Lastly, check for leaks. That's it. Job well done. Natura sinks are made with a solid surface material that's highly resistant to impact. They're also treated with nanotechnology, making them resistant to scratches and stains. And to top it all off, these have a luxurious matte finish that's smooth to the touch. If you run into any troubles, don't hesitate to reach out to Kraus customer service by phone or at kraususa.com. Thank you for watching.